Listen. Oh my lord. Yo. Listen.
I build my zoot feet up, sit back and chill, but I'm still not signing a deal. And I don't give one shit if you rate me or not, cause opinions don't pay my bills. So if you don't back me, don't say you will. Told him go, but I line off pills. Soon as music dies down, I'll get the line out and get right back in the field. Until then, I'ma keep putting more miles on my whip. It's still love, but we ain't talked in a bit. Would you be mates when the cocaine runs out, or stay home when there's nothing to sniff? See man giving out lifts to their brethren, tables turn, no space in a whip. Tell Mike Yowdy you're naturally beautiful. Don't get stressed when you're taking a pic, and ain't gonna ask real ones though I'm active. Different name on the line like a catfish. Never will I pay my hard-earned money for a feature. I'll shut down your tune with an ad-lib. It's not funny getting chased with a walk copy. Might show you the mean of the slapstick, but that's enough about that. Me I might go ghost and come back when you've had practice. No gym when I've worked 6 packs. I've learned so I never tick twats. And if you wanna act like friends when borrowing P, be the same when paying that back. What I'm saying is facts. More time just stay in my flat, cause I can't be bothered with chat. I got my eyes on a prize I need to provide, so I will not bother with slags. Yeah, I work 25/8 with my mind on my business. 365 no time off on Christmas. More time, yeah, I don't drive with food. For a $5 drink, me I might just risk it. Me I do music, money and fitness. Ain't got time for a snitch or a witness. All started from a cube at a K2, 14 years got that and then flipped set sail. I've never ran from a consequence. I drink brandy for confidence. Back then sitting on 2 boxes with 8 corners like an octagon. Then I had money, but it was not to lend. And if you chat my business, you're not my friend. If I spit something that hurts your feelings, just hold that it's not my sending, that it's not me sending. I go in where I want, I don't see no entrance. And who put Bristol City on the map, don't chat if it's not me mentioned. But these hits could've got man sentenced. Still I write sentence after a sentence. I want friends to leave me alone, but I want fans to give me attention.
Hold that one. Bars on 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 bars. Bars.